how does it happen? How does the ball swing like that? Let's talk. But hey, before going into the video, I need you to give this a thumbs up and make sure to hit that word subscribe down below. So let's dive into the video. So before going into the video, before going to the content, must say that this is a request from AK Production King. So make sure to check his channel from the description below. I'll throw a card right now. Now there are two types of swing deliveries, the in-swinger or the conventional outswing delivery. First, when considering the in-swing delivery, now you know that the ball have two sides divided by a seam. So the one side of the ball must be rough and one side must be shiny. When bowling in-swing deliveries, the rough side must be in the right and the shiny side must be in the left. Then when the ball cuts through the air starts to meet the both of the sides of the ball at the same. Then the air passes smoothly and quickly from passing the shiny surface, but in the rough side the ball still starts going. It's because it's rough, the air still goes. It's like bouncing on the ball. When the air is still on the rough side, the ball starts to feel a weight in the rough side because there is no air in this side, but there is a weight in this side. Then the ball swings into the right-handed batsman, which is known as the in-swing delivery. When considering the outswing delivery now, the rough side must be in the left and the shiny side must be in the right. Even here the same thing happens. When the ball cuts through the air meets both sides of the ball at the same time, and when the ball is meeting the shiny side, it goes smoothly and faster than the rough side. When the ball is still going in the rough side, it's going more chaotically, very slowly as well, and then the ball starts to feel a weight in the rough side of the ball, and that's what makes it go out of the right-handed batsman, which is known as the conventional outswing delivery. So AK Production King, comment down below, did you understand this and others too? And thank you so much for watching and enjoy these videos on the screen as well, and I will see you in the next video.